Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact Hueneme Negev model and serial ID so you target the right parts. Once done, gather tools, torque wrench, 3mm 10mm bits, multimeter, replacement seals, and a soft tray to keep fasteners. Make sure to photograph each access panel and label every screw. This speeds reassembly. Start by powering down and removing the main cover. Then test continuity on primary connectors to identify which subsystem needs repair before proceeding to targeted disassembly. You now open the modular bay and carefully remove 6 screws, lifting straight to avoid pinching ribbon cables. Once inside, inspect the PCB for burn traces, bulging capacitors, or cracked solder joints. These are common failure points. Use the multimeter to check voltage rails and motor coil resistances and verify sensor continuity under load. If you find a damaged component, desolder cleanly and fit the replacement, double-checking polarity and orientation to prevent repeated faults in the system. You reassemble by reconnecting labeled cables and installing modules, torquing screws to specification so nothing distorts. Once assembled, run calibrated tests, full boot sequence, sensor alignment routine, and a controlled load cycle to confirm performance. Make sure to monitor voltages and temperatures during testing. If something fails, log error codes and isolate the suspect module. Swap in a known good part to confirm. One key troubleshooting tip: check grounding and connector seating first. Many intermittent faults trace to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.